I would like to have a more personal relationship with you, and that will make it all possible. Good morning. Good morning. I was going to go ahead and put my hair in an updo or up off of my neck, and I realized that I don't have that much time. But as I was standing here, I started thinking about my subscribers. And before I go into what I was thinking about, I just want to thank you. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing, and especially commenting on the videos, so I know that you're there and know that you're watching. And in most of the comments, what I find out is that you care. And I just want to say thank you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Yes. I was thinking about some of my subscribers, and there are those that have said that they would try some of the hairstyles that I have been doing on my Sisterlocks. And I realized that not all of my subscribers are YouTubers. And so when someone mentions that, I really want to see it. And if you are not a YouTuber, you don't create content on YouTube, then what I'd like for you to do, and even if you are a YouTuber, I'd like for you to join my Facebook group, the Curly G's. Yes, join if you're a loose natural, join if you have Sisterlocks, join if you have Microlocs, and join if you have traditional locks. As long as your hair is natural, you can join my group. Yes, you will join, you'll fill out a short questionnaire, and I will accept you into the group. And then I'd like to see pictures as you join. Introduce yourself. Tell me who you are. Let me know if you have subscribed to my channel, because I would like to have a more personal relationship with you, and that will make it all possible. Right now I have started a flat twist here. I flat twist my hair, and I have a twist right here. I am going to do this flat twist over, but I'm going to leave the rest of my hair loose. I'm going to do it. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit more right here. I'm going to show you how I did this flat twist. And I'm not going to do it in a way that I would do for an updo, but this may be the start of an updo style later. I'm going to flat twist my hair toward the front, and it is very loose because I try to do low tension hairstyles because I'm trying to keep all of my locks and all of my hair on my head. Now, there's the flat twist. And though I'm doing that, going all the way to the end, I will not braid the end. I'll just let it stay loose. And this is going to be my hairstyle for today. The flat twist front. Back is going to be loose. Yes. But join my Facebook channel. The link will be in the description box. I'd love for us to be able to interact more closely, become better friends, or just build a relationship with each other. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's been better to me than I've been to myself. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you to God for putting people in my circle that really care for me. My sty on my eye is looking better. It has popped. It is not as obvious as it was before, because at one point, one eye looked like it was closed. The other eye looked like it was wide open. And now they're coming closer together to look more like each other. So they don't look more like sisters now than they did before. Yes. And now my 360. Have a great day.